Okay, I'm going to take you out to the chicken coop now. I'm going to show you what happens with chickens in a storm. Okay? Snow just got over, the sun's out, but the wind is really strong, so they won't come out. Just a second. Okay, here we go. You can see this. The first one you'll probably see is Meme. She's our rescue chicken. She is the boldest girl, and that's her right there on the step. Meme is our fluffiest chicken, so maybe that's part of it. She's really not as afraid of the cold as the others. If you can see on the black, right there, she's missing some feathers on her neck, and my rooster looks like a mess. That's Miracle. See how it's all fuzzy? He's also got some blood spots on his neck. This is the definition of cooped up. They get upset, and they pick at each other. When they pull each other's neck feathers out, the poor girls, they don't like being cooped up. Still have to make sure they have enough water every day, which is really tough when you're trying to get through this much all the time. I threw some shavings on the floor because chickens love to dig, and if they don't have some place to dig, that causes them to pick at each other even more. Feather picking, not a good thing. So the girls are drinking. Over here we have a flock block. That block in the tray right there is all seeds pressed together. Try and help them with the boredom a little bit. Gives them something to do. They got to pull them off of there. It's got more protein. Protein is good in this weather. Helps them to stay warm, and lots of corn. And as you can see, there's still eggs in the egg box. Looks like 8 today. That's down a couple from usual, but I'll take it. All right. Miracle's being a little bit protective, but he's leaving me alone. There he is, right there. Okay. I'm going to shut down for a second and take you over to see Roast. Miracle is very overprotective of his girls, which is a kind of good and bad quality for a root. And you see, they're all really hungry because they can't forage all day like they're used to. Say hi, Miracle. You're on camera. Some of them, when they settle down, will find the sunny spot over here in the shavings. They'll probably take a break in the sun now the storm's over. Yeah, you're the boss. Over here I have a separate little coop with one lonely room. Sometimes the girls come and visit him, but he's being kept here for his own protection because Roaster is from my original flock, and he's older. Hi, Roaster. Say papa-coo. Come on, Roaster, come on out. Come on, buddy. Roaster's got a bum leg, but he's the bestest rooster of all. Oh, the guy. He's the best root. He's over here in his own little house with his own little heat lamp. My husband put some insulation on it. Keeps him nice and warm. His water didn't even freeze last night. Just a crust on the top that he broke through. Oh, Roaster. He's been a good boy. He deserves not to get beat up by the young guy. So, I'm going to keep him over here. I'm hoping to bring him in to meet some of my special friends at school. So say hi, Roaster. You're on the camera. This is Roaster. He likes having under his wing scratched. Not all roos are as mean as Miracle. If you Notice Roaster does not have any spurs on his legs. His legs are clean. He lost his spurs a long time ago fighting. Oh, man. All right, well, you keep warm out here.